Here we go. That's exactly what we've got here is plates and proofs. And it's 8 1-of-1s that come out in here. So it's 8 1-of-1s. It's going to be 8 hits between the 19 spots. That's a good odds chance to hit something nice for 725. Let's go ahead and send the owner list through the random 7 times. All right, here we go. Lucky number 7, and the first random is complete. And so let's take a look over here at our second random. As we get things stacked up side by side, we'll be randoming now the last name letter. All right, 7 times. Good luck, everybody, in the rip. Five, 6. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. This is a really cool product. We're about to see who gets some of the biggest last name letters right now. Oops. My apologies. All right, so you can see everything right there and which last name letter initial that you have. So whether it's E for Eichel, P for Patrick, or any one of the biggest names in hockey, we're going to see if we can pull something really unique out of here, some kind of a proof. A big rookie card proof would be great. Or maybe some kind of a really nice 1-of-1 out of something from a previous set. Maybe a Eichel rookie, or let's see what happens. All right, enough speculation. Enough speculation has been done. Now it's just time to see what happens. And here we go. The first hit coming out of the box break. Oh, game used. Goalie Lumber printing plate. So this is going to be from Lumber Kings. Yeah, Lumber Kings printing plate. And what goalie is it? It is... Oh, so you've got this printing plate 1-of-1. Letter R owner, Christopher H. Nice one for you. Congratulations, Christopher H. in the break. The 1-in-1 printing plate from 2017 Leaf Lumber Kings hockey. There is a wide variety of different brands in here. We've seen some Lumber Kings. What is this? Greatest of all times in the game. And it is a letter D owner hit right here. Greatest of all time. Christopher H. 27 in the game. Stickwork hockey. And this is pretty cool. Coming out of here as well. That's hit number 2. That's 2 1-of-1s. For Christopher H. Let's see what else is happening. Look at this. Oh, this is really cool. Joe Sakic. Look at that. What does this come out of? What set is this out of? Oh my gosh. Letter S owner. Superlative Hockey. Ooh, this is nasty. Letter S. Christopher H. Great hit. That is a good one. Got a superlative plate. All right. So here we got two names on this Blade to Blade Lumber Kings. Blade to Blade, letter M, letter E. Oh, two big names right there. Christopher H. has letter M and letter E. This one is yours. A 101 from Lumber Kings. It is 2016 Lumber Kings hockey. And what is this? Award Season Art Ross Trophy. Oh my gosh, look at all these names on here. How many names? What is this? Stickwork. Gordie Howe Hull. There's two H's for Christopher H. And the letter E is Christopher H. That's 3 out of 4. And Christopher H. also owns L. So of the 4 that were on this stickwork, Christopher H., you have all 4. There's actually 5. No, there's a lot more here. Let me see. I do see Christopher H. with 4. You need one more Christopher H. to own this. Yep, and you've got it with the letter O. So the Bobby Orr is yours, the Esposito. Yeah, you've got this one, Christopher H. Nice hit. All kinds of names. I didn't see the top row, but now I see it kind of blended in there. Some of the names up there at the top. Bobby Orr. All right, next up. Four big names right there. Legends of the game in this printing plate. 1 of 1. Legends of the game. Yellow plate. All right, Christopher H., this one is yours too. You owe 3 out of the 4. 3 out of the 4 for you, sir. Christopher H., nice hit in the break of this 1 of 1. And it comes from Game Used Hockey, 2017 Game Used Hockey, 1 of 1. Nice. That's right. We got some game used around here. What is this hit? This is our... And it's an Eichel. Oh, my. Look at this. This is a beast hit. Letter E owner. You've got a proof rookie card of Jack Eichel. Pre-production. 16-17. Leaf Metal Hockey pre-production proof. Prismatic green. So a really neat Eichel comes out. A really nice Eichel rookie card to have. Pre-production proof. And that is coming out to Christopher H. Nice hit in the rip. 1 of 1. That's the kind of stuff we're looking for in here. That is cool. And we have this legend. It looks like a Pride. Encapsulated. Pre-production proof from Leaf Metal Hockey National Pride. Letter K. National Pride. And so this is coming out. Congratulations, Christopher H. Coming away with another nice one in the rip. with your National Pride Medal. Sweet. More good things coming out of here. I'll tell you what, this is some good, cool stuff to see. These pre-production proofs coming out of here.